What up, people? This is Strange FX here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So something crazy happened the past week. A student flipped like 10k ZA to 6 million, and these are the trades that he took. These are trade that he took. The journey was quite amazing. This guy has been pushing really deep, and I'm actually excited to have impacted such a life. Or this is another one, just another guy in the group taking a trade, same trade. The fall of what is this gold? I think it was Tuesday or so, or Tuesday or Wednesday. So these are his trades. This one he flipped 10k to 4 million, and I think it ended up on 6 million, as I said. But these are the trades that it ended up on 6 million. This guy took 10k to 6.3 million, which is actually amazing. And this is what we are teaching. We are teaching you to flip, to be able to flip the amount, like the certain amount, from you can do it like from 200 ZAR to such an amount that you want to flip. But it is good to have targets, because imagine if you would have tried to flip to 6 million and eventually the market goes against him when he's at 4 million. That would have been a hit, and it would have messed up with his psychology. That's why it is important to have a target. But this is in our group, guys. As you can see, this is in our mentorship group. This is still our mentorship group. So guys, anyway, let us get back to today's business. So today, as we've been talking about structure, actually I want to give you a tip on how to change your game, how to change it, and make the most of it, guys. Let us get into today's business, guys. So like I said the other time, if you want to catch a trend, make sure that you look at structure based on the higher time frame, right? You would be able to catch that trend if you are looking at structure based on the higher time frame, right? So and structure is actually simple. You just need to see what the market is doing. If the market is breaking highs, you know that okay, you're looking for buy, or buys will be high probability, right? You would just wait for a pullback, and you go to the smaller time frame and look for the buy, right? And if you are able to, if you're able to scalp, or you're able to take a risk and you want to sell this, you can actually sell it. And but being cautious that okay, you are awaiting the market to reach your point of interest, and then you take the buy. And you can actually, if this is a daily time frame, you can target the next high, right? Or the previous high. Actually, you can target the previous high, knowing that okay, the market is about to break this high to form a new higher high. So actually that's how the market works. That's the monument of the market. Once you understand this, you'd be able to actually turn up your game, and you'd be able to be profitable and start flipping, right, guys? So here, as you can see, right, we've been talking about this for the past last week I talked about this. As you can see here, this is the daily time frame. You can see that the market was breaking highs. Actually, from the beginning, it actually started breaking highs, right? It was breaking highs, breaking highs, right? It's been breaking highs, another high, maybe another low, and maybe another high, right? The market has been breaking highs, right? So if the market is doing this, is breaking highs, the high probability trades would be buys, guys, would be buys. You just wait for the market to create a new high, and then wait for a pullback, mark your point of interest, then enter there based on your entry mechanics, and then you ride it to the top, right? It's as simple as that. But today I'm gonna teach you something that you can actually use to look at structure as a whole, right? To look at structure and to understand structure. There is what we call elliott wave strategy. It is actually deep, and it's amazing, guys, and you can use it to flip the 10k to maybe 6 million or so, because it's gonna help you to manage your trade properly. So elliott wave is like this. Once you know how it's all the other things, guys, don't mind all the labelings and all the other things. Elliott wave is almost similar to Falcon. It deals with patterns. Number one, it deals with patterns. Once you are able to identify the patterns, you'd be able to push, right? It deals with patterns, number one. And number two, what it deals with is it actually okay, it's a deeper version of Falcon because like you are able to count on what's happening in the market, right? So like this, like what I'm gonna show you today, right? So the market, what Elliott Wave believed, or what he researched and found, is the market moves in 5 ways in an impulsive move, right? And then when it corrects in 3 waves like this. Once you master this, all is done, guys, all is done. And then though there are sub waves within, but this is what the market does. So usually wave 1 is an impulsive leg, right? It shoots up. Wave 2 is a correction, is a correction which actually forms a pattern, would be a pattern, right? It's either it's those pattern, right, guys, like a corrective pattern, right? So and then we would have another 3 waves to the upside like this, and then eventually a pattern would happen again. So usually in a wave 4 you have a pattern, you have a pattern like a triangle or some sort, right? And then you have another 5 pushes to the upside before it corrects, like a major correction, which would be 5 pushes, 3 pushes, 5 pushes again, and then the trend continues to the upside. This is how Elliott Wave believes the market moves. And guys, if you backtest this, you will know, or you'll start to see that, okay, actually like this is literally how the market moves, right? Sometimes you would find that the waves are extended. Sometimes you would find that they overlap, or all those rules that he has, right? They like sometimes they wouldn't work like sharp, but once you like calculate structure or map up structure as simple as this, you're just looking for 5 pushes to the upside and the correction, and then you take the next 5 pushes to the upside, right? So it's as simple as that, guys. So if you can look at this, right, guys, there is a push, a correction, a push, a correction, and then another push, which is an extended, like I said, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside, and then we are looking for a correction of 5 waves, 3 waves, and 5 waves, and then the trend continues. As simple as that, guys. So once you know what's happening in the market, you'll be able, it will give you the edge to like to know your next step, what to do next, right, guys? You would be able to know how to like how do you call it, like to take a better trading decision, right, guys? You'd be able to take a better trading decision. So let us go to the smaller time frame, because obviously here we would be just mapping, right? You'd be just mapping, maybe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, guys? So let us check on the 4 hour. We know that we've just completed the 5th wave. So on the 4 hour, what you want to see is, again, you want to see at least 5 pushes to the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pushes to the downside. And then you know that, okay, you would want a 1, 2, 3 move to the upside, right, before another 5 pushes to the downside. So the 3 moves to the down to the upside, the corrective moves, they should be like you should be able, they should like be able to be like the range of it should be able to be like this range, right? I don't know how to put it in proper English, but you should be able, it should be able to cover up this range in a way, right? You wouldn't like expect to have like a major push to the upside like this, and then a corrective pattern would be just this 1, 2, 3 pushes move to the upside, and then expect like another major move to the downside. No, it shouldn't be like that. If the move to the downside is as huge as this, right, guys, if it's as huge as this, the corrective pattern should be huge again, and then it continues to the downside. And then you would find, you would find, or you would note that this actually also completes the way other traders trades, right? You would maybe say this is I don't know, supply or demand zone, I don't know, I confuse these things, but this is a zone here, and the 3 waves to the upside would be something like this that complete the zone, and then again it continues to the downside. And you would find out that, okay, maybe this is 1, 2, and then 3 pushes to the downside, right? So it is as easy as that. Once you are able to identify that, you'll be able to like make a better trading decision, guys, right? You'll be able to make a better trading decision. Like here, let's say for example, from here, guys, from this point here, or from actually where the where all this begins, right, guys? All this begins. Started from here. Okay, let us. Okay, we have a one. We have a leading diagonal one, two, three, four, five. Then it's an extended one. Okay, let us do this from this extension here. If you can start up marking from here, you can say maybe you had a one, a two, which is a corrective pattern, a three, and a four. But usually what they say is a four shouldn't like get into the shouldn't surpass, like get into the territory of the wave three, right? Like this, right? I mean the wave two, right? Territory of the wave two shouldn't surpass this, actually shouldn't surpass below this, right? Shouldn't like go below this, right? So so here, and then you would get a wave 5 here, right? A wave 5 again. So that's how easy this thing is, right? Even though I just counted, I didn't like go into the depth. I just counted on how you can see it, or what you can anticipate on it. And then from there, once you're able to get your entry, guys, this is the important thing. Once you're able to get your entry, maybe let's say the market, the market is trending, right? Once you're able to get your entry, maybe here, wait for the market to trend, have your first entry, let the market trend. Once you see that you're in wave 2, you can leverage here, then again leverage here, with leverage, then leverage here again as the market goes. So the plan or the goal is to leverage at these swing points, right? So that you can maintain your trades, right, and hold for a longer time. So once you're able to I won't explain it into those depth. These are just like concepts that I'm actually teaching you. Once you're able to do this thing, guys, once you're able to push this and do this, you'll be able to do a lot of things. You'll be able to flip or make trading decisions properly. You'll be able to understand everything properly. And again, guys, like I said, you do all this based on structure, guys, based on structure. So the way, okay, let me give you just a tip that I forgot to tell you, guys. So the way you can count up waves again is you can base them on structure, what structure is saying, right? If the market is trending to the upside like this, right? If the market is trending to the upside, you can start calculating waves from here. Like say we had this swing point here, so you can start calculating from here. You can have a one. Okay, let us do this. Let me go to the 4 hour again here, right? After this, okay, let me use this one again. After this swing point here, you can calculate and say, okay, we have a 1 2 3 4 5. Then you will say, okay, this is my 1 2, then 3 4, and then 5, right? 5. This is what you can, how you can calculate. So it would actually help you to even hold longer. So what's happening in between these are sub waves. They actually 1 2 3 4 5 again, right? They actually total to 5. The sub waves again 1 2 3 4 5 extended, and then we have a big correction. So these again, there are sub waves within, right? So guys, once you're able to learn this, or once you're able to master this, you'd be able to like know if your zone will hold. You'd be able to know if this zone will hold. So even actually you know that, okay, it would hold because we haven't completed the cycle of push-ups that impulsive phase makes, right? Once you know that, okay, a motive, they call it a motive in Falcon, but we call it an impulsive move, right? So once you know that, okay, we have something like this, and then we have something like this, and you're not sure if it's a reversal or what, because usually the fourth wave creates some sort of a pattern. Once you know that, okay, you're not sure whether it's a reversal or what, you would know that, okay, because we haven't completed the all 5 cycles, the 1 2 3 4 5 cycles, you'll know that, okay, this has a high probability to go upside before we do the corrective move to the downside, right? So once you understand all this, you'll be able to make a better trading decision, guys, and you will know that, okay, these zones that you draw from here, they would actually hold, because you are anticipating this fifth move to the upside. Once again, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. I hope this video was educational for you, and you'd be able to start marking up structure this way. Guys, it's very, very easy. Once again, very, very easy. Just look for 3 pushes to the upside with 2 pushes that are correcting it, right? It's very, very easy. And then from there, you would know that, okay, you're anticipating a huge reversal or correction, and then once it's done, you are looking for an impulsive to the upside. As easy as that, you'll be able to make a better trading decision. Once again, guys, thank you so much for joining me in my YouTube channel, and I hope you have a best trading week. I'll start posting up my analysis soon. Yeah, for every weekend I think I'll start posting my analysis on what I am actually looking at the coming week. Once again, guys, I'm very much excited, and thank you so much for being here. Make sure you hit the like button and you subscribe, and if guys you are looking for mentorship, make sure that you contact me. I'll leave the link to my actually the number of to my telegram, the number of my telegram that I use on for my telegram on the description box below, and I'll actually leave even my WhatsApp number below. You can look for mentorship, guys. We teach the MMC footprint strategy, which is, we don't teach it alone. Actually, we teach it on how to leverage. We have a strategy for entries and all the likes, which reminds me, guys, next time I think on my next YouTube I will show you how we take the precision on entries so that we don't get taken out once we start leveraging. So guys, once again, thank you so much. Have a happy trading week. Thank you so much, guys.